The 2026 Ram 2500 lineup is getting a significant powertrain overhaul, and it's creating some interesting choices for buyers. Ram isn't abandoning what works. They're keeping both the trusted 6.7-liter Cummins diesel and the familiar 6.4-liter Hemi V8. But alongside these veterans, two completely new engines are joining the family: a beefier 7.2-liter Cummins diesel and something nobody saw coming, a Cummins-built gasoline engine. This kind of expansion tells us something important about where the truck market is headed. More torque, better efficiency, and fresh technology all sound appealing on paper. But here's the reality check. Newer doesn't automatically mean better, especially when your truck is a workhorse rather than a showpiece. Longevity, repair costs, and that inherent risk that comes with first-generation engines, these factors often matter more than impressive spec sheets. We're breaking down all four power plant options available for the 2026 model year, not through the usual horsepower comparison game, but by looking at what actually impacts ownership, real-world performance under load, durability over time, maintenance requirements, and what you'll face down the road when repairs become necessary. Understanding these differences now could prevent costly regrets later. The diesel evolution, proven workhorse, meets ambitious newcomer. Ram's diesel strategy is straightforward but significant. The 6.7-liter Cummins, that's been the backbone of their heavy-duty lineup, stays put. But now, there's a bigger sibling, the 7.2-liter variant. This isn't just a minor refresh with updated electronics. This represents a genuine push toward higher torque reserves, increased towing capacity, and more breathing room when hauling maximum loads. That extra displacement brings obvious benefits: more power on tap, higher capability ceilings, better performance margins under extreme conditions. But it also introduces additional considerations. Greater mass means more thermal management challenges. Increased output demands more robust cooling systems. And modern diesel emissions requirements mean more complex after-treatment hardware. In simple terms, you're getting enhanced capability wrapped in additional complexity. The gasoline side tells an even more dramatic story. Sure, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 remains available for traditionalists who appreciate its straightforward nature. But the real headline is Ram introducing a Cummins-engineered gasoline engine into their heavy-duty range for the first time ever. That's not a casual decision. This move reflects shifting emissions regulations, evolving fleet requirements, and a different approach to operating costs. The Hemi represents what truck buyers have known for years: simplicity, familiarity, and predictable behavior. The new Cummins gasoline engine represents something different: claims of superior efficiency, commercial-grade durability, and a completely fresh direction for gas-powered heavy-duty trucks. Ram is essentially pushing two separate strategies simultaneously. On one front, they're extending diesel capability even further. On the other, they're reimagining what gasoline power should look like in a heavy-duty application. And your experience with performance, durability, and long-term costs will depend entirely on which philosophy aligns with how you actually use your truck. Performance reality. Beyond the numbers game, all four engines produce adequate power. That's not the issue. The real difference shows up in how that power translates to real-world capability, especially under load. Looking at the diesel options first, torque delivery characteristics tell the story. The current 6.7-liter Cummins builds torque low in the rev range and maintains it consistently. That's why it feels composed when pulling heavy trailers up extended grades. No drama, no surprises, just steady, controlled power delivery that inspires confidence. The new 7.2-liter diesel is engineered to push these boundaries further. Additional displacement means more torque availability without forcing the engine to work as hard. Theoretically, this provides greater reserves when operating at maximum capacity, but there's an inevitable trade-off. More displacement generates more heat. Cooling systems face increased demands. Emissions equipment works harder during extended heavy load operation. So while the 7.2 targets stronger peak performance, the 6.7 maintains its reputation for predictable, proven behavior during sustained work cycles. It's the difference between chasing maximum capability and valuing consistent reliability. The gasoline comparison presents a different dynamic entirely. The 6.4-liter Hemi delivers power higher in its operating range. It feels energetic when unloaded, responsive during daily driving, and uncomplicated to own, but adds significant weight, and the character shifts. The Hemi needs to work harder, revs climb higher, fuel consumption increases notably, and sustained towing becomes more demanding on the engine. The new Cummins gasoline engine takes a different philosophical approach. Rather than prioritizing peak horsepower figures, the focus shifts toward usable torque at lower RPM levels. This should make a heavy truck feel more composed under load, particularly beneficial for owners who tow regularly but want to avoid diesel complexity and costs. However, this remains unproven territory. Gasoline engines generating heavy-duty torque levels depend heavily on precise tuning and effective thermal management. Spec sheets can't fully demonstrate real-world behavior until owners rack up serious miles in varied conditions. Breaking down real-world performance. The current 6.7 diesel offers the most balanced and predictable character. The new 7.2 diesel aims for higher performance ceilings with corresponding higher demands. The Hemi stays straightforward but works hardest under heavy loads, and the Cummins gasoline engine promises a middle path if it delivers as advertised. But raw performance numbers don't determine long-term satisfaction. That comes down to what happens after accumulating serious mileage, and that's where durability becomes more critical than impressive dyno figures. Durability, where potential meets proven track records. Performance sells trucks initially. Durability determines who ends up regretting their purchase years later. The diesel comparison reveals a significant gap between established and unproven. The current 6.7-liter Cummins is thoroughly understood. Its weaknesses are documented and well known. Service patterns are established. Long-term behavior under sustained loads has been proven across hundreds of thousands of miles in countless trucks. It's not flawless, but it rarely surprises owners or mechanics. The new 7.2-liter diesel rewrites this equation completely. More displacement delivers more torque reserve, but also generates more heat, adds more mass, and places greater stress on supporting systems. Large engines rarely fail due to fundamental strength issues. They fail because of surrounding components, cooling systems struggling under constant load, after-treatment hardware degrading prematurely, sensors malfunctioning, regeneration cycles becoming problematic. While the 7.2 may eventually prove its durability, early adopters essentially serve as the real-world test group. That's the unavoidable risk with first-generation engines. The gasoline comparison presents an even sharper contrast. The 6.4-liter Hemi survives because of its inherent simplicity, naturally aspirated design, predictable thermal characteristics, fewer emissions-related complications compared to modern diesels. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not, and that honesty contributes to its longevity. The new Cummins gasoline engine enters with ambitious promises: commercial-grade durability, reduced operating costs, better efficiency under load, but promises don't substitute for actual mileage data. This engine has no extended history in heavy-duty consumer trucks, no long-term data on thermal stress patterns, no clear track record showing how it ages under years of hard work. It might prove to be an excellent middle ground, or it might reveal weaknesses that only surface after warranty coverage expires. The current engines offer predictability based on proven history. The new engines offer potential based on engineering intentions. Ownership. Reality, when maintenance becomes personal. If durability measures how long an engine lasts, ownership experience measures what happens when things inevitably need attention. This is where exciting upgrades transform into expensive realities. With diesels, service complexity matters as much as fundamental strength. The current 6.7-liter Cummins has an established cost profile. Owners understand typical expenses for injectors, turbocharger work, and emissions components. Parts availability is excellent nationwide. Independent shops have extensive experience working on these engines. Downtime for repairs, while still costly, is at least predictable. The new 7.2-liter diesel shifts this dynamic. More displacement means more supporting hardware to maintain, greater cooling demands, more complex after-treatment systems, and with a first-generation engine, even routine repairs can take longer than expected. Parts availability will be limited initially. Labor times remain uncertain. When something fails, your truck might sit longer than you'd planned. For owners, depending on their truck for business, that downtime can exceed the actual repair cost. The gasoline comparison offers a different perspective. The 6.4-liter Hemi remains among the simplest engines in its class. Oil changes are straightforward. Repairs are widely understood across most shops. Service is typically fast almost anywhere. That simplicity keeps ownership costs predictable, even though fuel consumption runs higher under load. The decision ultimately depends on two critical factors: how long you plan to keep your truck and how much risk you're comfortable accepting. For buyers valuing predictability, the current engines still make the most sense. The 6.7-liter Cummins diesel remains the safest choice for heavy towing and extended ownership periods. Costs are established, behavior is understood, and operational limits are clearly defined. The 6.4-liter Hemi remains the simplest overall option: lower service complexity, faster repairs, and fewer surprises if you're planning to keep your truck for many years. The new engines present a different value proposition. The 7.2-liter diesel promises enhanced capability and higher performance limits, but it brings first-generation risk, added complexity, and unknown long-term costs. The Cummins gasoline engine could emerge as an intelligent middle ground: better efficiency than the Hemi, less complexity than diesel. But without an established track record, it remains an open question. The choice becomes clear when you consider your specific situation. If your truck functions as a critical business tool where downtime costs real money, proven engines remain the safer bet. If you upgrade vehicles frequently and want the latest technology, new engines might justify the inherent risk. Now you understand exactly what you're trading: certainty for potential. When considering the 2026 Ram 2500 engine lineup, the right choice depends on whether you prioritize proven reliability or maximum capability, whether you value simplicity or efficiency, and whether your ownership timeline extends beyond the warranty period. The market will eventually reveal which approach proves superior, but you don't have to wait for that verdict if you understand what you're actually getting with each option today.